Hi guys, this is Sakaptas. I'm sorry I haven't have new design a week a little bit over maybe 2 weeks. I'm not sure, but I haven't altered anything. I just try to be a good wife and a mom. So it's so hard, guys, because I work a full time too. After work, I have to pack the orders and design stuff, do some test cutting everything. It's just a lot of stuff to be done, guys. It's not easy. So past week I just cook and clean and play with Cody, so try thing like that, but seem not really work out well. But I'm kind of try to do like every other week that spend some time with Cody and my husband. So it's so hard, guys, I'm telling you. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys new design wood pieces that I made. So first I'm going to show you guys the carry box wood that I designed. Okay, so I think no, this one is the wrong piece. So this one will be see, this one will be the bottom, this one will be the center, and this one will be the back and the front, and then this one is on the side. So what I'm gonna do is gonna snap this one first. Let's see. So when you snap it together, if it line up perfectly or a little bit off, it's okay, but more than likely line perfectly is the right way. It doesn't matter which one, outside and inside, you make sure that it's lined up. That's the way how it's go. And this one will be on this side, and then we're gonna put on a centerpiece right there, see, and then we're gonna put this one. I'm not sure this is this side or this side. No, we'll try. Hang on a second. No, hang on a second. Here we go. See, the wood carry box. So the bottom you look like this, okay, like that. See that? So it is good for the the gift box, carry box. Not sure this one is no. This one perfect for the gift box for this. Ooh, maybe this one a little bit too big. No, it's perfect size for that. See, well, you're not gonna want to use it for the gift idea, because they want a little bit too big. You cover all the pattern or the your design, so you can use for this tiny free inker or pros Wicked Pros. So this is my one design there for the. I love this box. It's so cute, guys. To me, cute. I love it. It's smoked. That's okay. You end up painted anyway. So in that one design, and we're talking about I having the box number 2. Remember that I have number 1. I haven't altered that one yet, so now I have number 2. So will be this one will be on the front, right? So this one will be centerpiece, and this one will be on the side, and this one the divider, and this one is the bottom. So what I'm going to do, we're gonna do this. Put this one, the divider there, and this one right there, right? Leave that one right there, and this one aside, and this one the bottom. Then this is awesome job on the toolbox. I need to alter that one too, because it's useful though. That's why I want to do it and use it for myself. Oh, put this one side first. and you put this the side. Let's try this one. Sit right there. Sorry, it will take me a little while because it's loose. Let me do this. So, and now I'm gonna put that one in there. It is centerpiece. Okay. Right there. And now it's on this piece right here. Okay. I think I have to turn this one. And now time for on this one. Okay, this piece gonna be a little bit difficult, but I believe I can make it. So that one going there. Okay. Well, when you cover with the paper, gonna be can be hard for you to see it. A little bit tricky. And make sure the difficult part is this one, the center one here. Good. Here we go. Here we go. Now let's see what we've got here. See that, guy, the 2 box? So you have 6 lots in there. I'm not sure this one is, oh, that one is fall up. I'm not sure this one, a little bit gap from the wood is curled or not. Maybe something have to do with it. But a little bit gap is okay. So here, what it look like? Isn't that cute, guys? I just love it. So you can use your real tools in there. Scissor, use spatula there. See that? Isn't that cute, guys? I just love it. So maybe I should make the handle bigger than this, but isn't that cute? I can cut bigger than this, but probably not. I don't know. Because it is the same pattern of the 2 box, I just expand them bigger size. That's it. Okay. Okay, this is for my 2 box, and now for next, we're gonna move to the next one. So let's see. Now it a glimmer with storage. Okay. This is really easy to make. Oops, I think I have lost one piece. Not sure where another piece is missing, but we'll get to that. I think I'm gonna have to go find it where I dropped it. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I found a piece. So you will have this one is for the bottom. This one, of course, the hole is gonna be in the top, and so you'll get identical 2 pieces of this, and this one identical 2 pieces of this, so 4 pieces. This is really easy to put it together. So you put that one there, and you see that one gonna be right there. See, and this one right there. Really easy, huh? This one right there, see, and then you have to find which way is going to snap. I think it might be it. Yep. So see, here is maybe about a little bit over inch, maybe, and 1 1/4. I'm not sure. So this is like 25 bottles of glimmer mix that you can put in there. Okay, see, like this. I don't really have it, guys. So if you have the small bottle like that, you want storage, it's really good size, guys. Alright. And now is Copic marker storage. I'm gonna have to Copic marker, so I'll just show you guys a sample. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna have a little bit difficult putting this thing together, so what I'm gonna do is light this one up, and I'm gonna do on the top and the bottom tab first, guys. Rubber band having me right here, because then look like this keep falling off on me. I just never sure how this one. That's why it didn't just snap here, because when I think it might be better if you. Okay, I need 2 hands here. But you now have a rubber band on this side. Does it better, guys? So I'm going to use this one. See, create the box like this, and so this one is like the right slot there. Like yesterday it was really easy for me to put. I'm not sure why today is so difficult. It's a long way. You will get it eventually, guys. So this one will be side this up, so make sure this one line up, no wrong side. So nope, this one is wrong side. So now I know this one is here. See guys? I know you're supposed to put that side first, right? Finally. Here we go guys. Sorry, it took me a little while to put this together. And eventually when you buy it for me, you have to put it together first in order, you know, which way you know the paper inside and outside, okay? So sorry that gap over there because it, as I said, the wood is not straight. So you get 5 boxes here for your markers. Really see. And you have some marker here, so your Copic markers, but this is not Copic marker. I have stamping up marker right there. See. Will look up on top anyway. So that one, that marker storage. And now for more hard part guys is this storage bottle to outside the acrylic paint storage. Now move next to the more difficult storage. So this is, I didn't buy it yet, I just have it at work. There's all the pieces and then you have to put it together. So that one is, this is I make same style this one, my cardboard, the bottle storage here is from cardboard. If you don't want to buy the wood for me, you can watch this tutorial how I made this, okay guys? If you have a little paint, you need to buy a big storage. This is a good size. So if you have a lot of them, you need to buy the good one or better one than cardboard. So this, as you can see, this is the backing part, this one on the side part, and you have the divider like 9 pieces, okay, So the one you have see two tab here is the top and the bottom, and the one with no tab in here is mean the dividers. Okay, so you have take it 9 pieces of this, 9 pieces of the dividers, and this piece is for then cover the bottom part. You will see now what I mean. So now you're gonna put that one together. And you want to use the top and the bottom first. So this one is this wrong way. So we use the rubber band to help me to hold this thing. Okay. Oh, now this will take me forever. So that one like that, right? So when you tap on the bottom, let me move this, you guys can see. Right. And you want to use, I think one of the, have only one is the shortest one is the bottom. Let me find which one is the shortest one. I believe maybe this one. So this one put in all each tab. See, this one not gonna be even because the wood curls, but I believe when you cover the paper, I don't think this is gonna stick out. Okay. So put tab down right there. This is one, either just slot there, you can store it 5 bottles of acrylic, so you have like 8 slots in there. You like you get what you can store it like 40 bottles of your 2 ounces acrylic paint. That is really cool, guys. See, this one now it's easy. Today and yesterday I was trying so hard to put it together. Like, it took me forever, guys, seriously. Open the wrong piece. Remember, this one is the bottom piece. So this one is the bottom piece. So this piece is so try to make sure this is staying together. So this piece is eventually good. I think I have to cut a little bit shorter. A little bit too high because this, I forgot the bottom is the longer piece, but you will get in the piece to cover here the bottom, see? So that one will be like that. Okay. This will start to fall. Anyway, so that one will be and then this one right there. Anyway, so that you're gonna put like that so you can, you know, put your paint in there. See? And put 5 bottles in each slot. So I hope this is not too tight. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like for the acrylic bottle, the one storage that you can storage this 2-ounce bottle. Okay. Alright guys, that's it. This has been a very long video haul forever. Thank you guys for keep watching, and we'll see you guys later guys. Bye bye guys.